Hello guys, and welcome back to another how to build a Bitcoin mine episode. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to choose the best coin to mine with your hardware, as well as setting up our miners to start mining that coin. But first, if you haven't seen the other episodes in the series, I recommend watching those first, as this is a follow-up video to the whole series. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to know is what your hardware is best used for. Now typically GPUs are best for things like Ethereum, which are ASIC resistant coins, meaning there's no special machines made to mine those. And in our case, we have an Antminer L3+, which is specifically designed to mine Litecoin. Although Litecoin uses script, which means we can mine any script coin that is out there to mine profitably. Alright, so there's actually two methods for choosing what coin you're going to want to mine with your hardware. Now, one strategy is to find a coin that you think is going to be worth a lot of money in the future, and just mine that coin specifically, and then when the value of that coin grows in the future, as you predicted, that is actually where you'll make your profit. And with that method, you can actually make like huge amounts of profit, but it's kind of playing the lottery because you have to guess which coins are going to be worth a ton of money in the future, and you're kind of eating that debt until you have enough value in that coin you mined to cash out and retrieve your profits. Now the second method is just to mine a coin that at today's values and with your mining hardware you know is going to be profitable daily. So you're going to have a daily profit, and you can see that you're making money on day one. Now the downside with this is that you're only going to be making money using this method for as long as that coin has value and as long as your hardware is up to date. Also, you don't have as large a benefit as those people that mined a whole bunch of the coin that was worth nothing and saved it until it was worth a lot. So to find out what coin we were going to mine, I decided I wanted that guaranteed daily profit for me and the investors in our mine. So I went to wanttomine.com here. I'll just show you how to use it. We have a script miner, so I'm going to uncheck all the rest of these, enter in our own specs here. So this is running about 1600 watts. Our power cost is about 6 cents, and we hit calculate. So what this is telling us is that NiceHash is actually the best coin / service to mine on, and see if we went with Litecoin, like our miners are actually designed for, we'd be making about $10 US a day less than if we went and mined on NiceHash. Alright, so when you're setting up your miner, you're going to find out that you're going to need 3 mining pools to connect to. So the first one I'm going to connect to is NiceHash. Now this is actually a service where we sell our hashing power to other users and they pay us in Bitcoin. And then my second option is going to be Litecoin, and I'm going to choose 2 pools that mine Litecoin specifically. In this video, I'm not going to go into depth on what a mining pool is exactly, but I'll make a video in the near future about what a mining pool actually does. But one good point to know is that when you're choosing a mining pool, you're going to want to choose one with a large distribution of the mining power across the globe. So the pools I decided to go for is F2 Pool and litecoinpool.org. I've got their websites open right here, and I'm going to show you how to connect your miners to these websites. Alright, so the first step to configure your miner is actually remotely connecting. So you're going to want to find the local IP address of your miner on your network. You can do that by going and logging into your router, looking for an IP address that doesn't look very familiar, and then just typing it into the URL box at the top of your browser. It's going to ask you for a login, and in the box your Antminer should tell you what the default password is to log in. Once you log in, you should be brought to this page here, and you're going to want to head to the miner configuration tab. So from here we have pool 1, pool 2, and pool 3. Pool 2 and 3 are basically your backup mining pools in case the first mining pool that you chose, NiceHash for example, fails to connect. It will start mining on F2 pool, and then it will go down to Litecoin pool if it fails to connect to F2 pool. Alright, so far these should be set to default values or be blank. I'm going to show you how to get the URL, the worker name, and the password. So for NiceHash specifically, to get the URL with the stratum link inside there. We're going to want to go to this page. It's under nicehash.com/ASIC mining. We choose our algorithm that we're mining, and we choose the location that we are closest to. So we hit generate stratum. This gives us all the information we need to connect to the website. So this one here with stratum in the name is our stratum link, the URL that Antminer wants in this box here. The worker name should be our Bitcoin address. So on NiceHash, this is my Bitcoin address. So that is our worker name. So we go and we put that in here, and then it says that the password should be X. So I have entered X. Okay, and we can save and apply, and the miner should start connecting to the pool. We can verify that it is working properly by going over to our active workers page. This is just on the dashboard, and you should be able to see that you have your Antminer connected. It should show the speed, and you can start making money right there. So you're gonna wanna do a similar process on the other website pools that you are planning on connecting to, and then you can hit save and apply, and you can actually go to those websites and just make sure that your worker ID is popping up there. On your two backup pools, you're gonna see 0 megahashes a second because your miner is actually successfully connecting to the first pool and not mining on your second and third pools. All right, guys, that should be it. Your miner should be successfully connected to a mining pool, and you should start to see some money accumulate in your account. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to reply. Next week, I'll be doing a 4 weeks of mining update, letting you guys know how things are going, any problems I've run into, just the basic accounting behind everything, and then I'll show you what I made. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below. That'd be greatly appreciated, and thanks so much for watching.